Hey guys, welcome to the channel. It's Roman here. Today we're going to be doing a badge removal and replacement. I ordered some badges about 2 months ago. They just came in today, so I just wanted to get them on and shoot me doing this. Basic breakdown of the steps. We got to mark where our badge is originally because that's where we want to put the next badge. Then we're going to go ahead and take this badge off and we're going to clean it up and replace it. So yeah, let's get a move on. Alright, I just wanted to go ahead and go over what type of items we'll need for this project. To start off, we're going to need some rubbing alcohol. I got some isopropyl rubbing alcohol from Publix. I got a microfiber towel, some Scotch tape. You could use any type of tape, you know, that's not too strong. You don't want to damage your paint. This is a bit unusual, but a guitar string. I didn't have any fishing tape on me, or fishing line, my bad. So I didn't really, have anything else but this. And if you're worried, I'll show you the other side of my car. I already did the first badge. It came out just fine. So yeah, here's the new badge up top and the old badge down below. I love the all black look, but I'm trying to go for a bit more of a purple subtle look. So that's what we're gonna go with. I got a hairdryer right here. Works. This is the guy I got my badge from. He's called the Badge King. He does plenty more work than just Mustangs. Go ahead and check him out. He's great service, always answers really quickly. Yeah. So go check them out. I'll link them down in the description. Alright, so here's the badge that I had already put on the car. Looks like it came out great. I gotta clean up a bit around it, but I think it looks awesome. It might be a bit reflective, I can't really tell, but walking away from the car, I think it looks great. Awesome. And so if some of you guys might not know, I haven't done a walk around of my car yet, but I'm working on getting some purple accents going. I got some purple reflective tape on the diffusers. I think it looks really nice. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Maybe give me some ideas on what else I should turn purple. But this is the kind of purple I'm going with. Yeah, so let's move on. Alright, so I already got some tape up on here, as you can see. I just marked where the top of the 5 and the 0 are, and then I marked the edge of the 5, just so I know where to mark, where to place my sticker. As you can see, there's an additional coyote, and then there's the coyote. So I didn't tape over there because I don't want to put it over the tape, but it will work for the top part of the badge, so we should be good on that. So yeah, now I'm just going to go ahead and heat this up and saw it off. Alright, here we go. Got my guitar string. Fucked up my hand earlier, but it's alright. We're going to go at it again. It's right through there. So behind the badge there are 2 small pieces, right, that kind of go into the fender to make sure it's locked in. So if your wire stops or snaps, it's because of that, but you'll know when you hit it. But yeah, this isn't damaging the car at all, it's just going through that adhesive layer. I don't even think it's touching the paint. That should do it. Yep. I don't see any type of scratching or damage. So yeah, we got the badges off. Came across with some pain. My fingers are all busted up now. I don't know if you can see this, but my nail's done. But yeah, so we got that off. It looks like a good amount came off, a little bit more came off than last time. The key here is to just heat it all up, try and scrape as much as you can off, hit it with some alcohol. And just repeat until you get to a point where you feel like you can't get any more off. So yeah, I'll show you what that looks like right now. Alright, just got done heating up a bit, but now it's just peeling it off. It's not, too bad to peel off, it's just a little bit tedious. Just make sure you heat it up, it makes it a lot easier. Alright guys, I moved my camera to get some better lighting. But yeah, you can see I got most of it off. We're going to do one more clean with the alcohol, and then I think we're going to be ready to put on this badge. Alright, so yeah, it ain't perfect, but it'll do. Like I said, we're going to let all this alcohol dry out. We're going to get this on there. Okay guys, so we got it all on. Badge looks great. Here you go. There you go. That looks amazing. I finished it up, I cleaned it up, took off the tape. Went right where I wanted it to because we had the tape to help mark. Yeah, here's the other side. Oh man, that looks mean. That looks mean. Let's get a view from farther away. So from further away, it still kind of has that blacked out effect because the purple's so dark you can't really even see it, which I really like about that, and I wasn't sure if I'd still get that or not, but if I increase the brightness you can see it a bit, but if I go down you can barely see it, so I really like that. Alright guys, here we are again back at the parking garage wall. So yeah, project went really well. I'm glad that we got it on, no issues at all. Another thank you to the Badge King. I'll have him linked down and below. But yeah, if you guys have any questions or ideas for the car, please let me know. I'd be happy to get back to you. I'll read all the comments. But yeah, also just, excuse me for my filming skills. It's not the best yet. Sorry if you can't hear me. There's someone in the other parking garage. Yeah, it's not the best yet, but we're working on it. I have my other camera, which is an old camera my mom gave to me, but it, seems like it's the real deal. So we might start using that, get a tripod, we'll see how it goes. But yeah, stay tuned, and we'll get the projects incoming, hopefully, and see you soon. Try to give me like 30 likes this video. I know y'all are replacing your badges and stuff, so just, if you enjoyed, let me know and drop a like. Thank you guys. Take it easy.